Hello, new international students. In this video, you will learn how to access the International Student Handbook from the International Student Success Office's website. In your web browser, you're going to type stonybook.edu/oga/ISS. That will take you to the International Student Success website. And in the main page, under Spotlight, you will see the International Student Handbook for the fall 2024 version located. Here, you can click here to open the document, or in this case, I will be opening up a document in a new tab. You will then access the digital version of the International Student Handbook. The second page, you will see a message from our Dean of Global Affairs, as well as the table of content page that is located on page 3. From this document, you will be able to find information about preparing for Stony Brook, arriving at Stony Brook, settling into Stony Brook, taking care of business, getting around Stony Brook, and stay connected with ISS. If you find information you would like to learn more, simply click on the section of the page title, and it will take you directly to each page. And when you're done reviewing the information and want to go back to the table of contents page, you can then click on the bottom where the page number is located and ISS office and phone number are located. Then you will take you back to the table of content page. Feel free to utilize this resource as you start your journey here at Stony Brook, and we're looking forward to see you on campus.